Hey, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Michelle Spark, known on TikTok as Michelle Sparky, and I came across this amazing business model, and I'm going to show you how you can make big profits with master resale rights. And my favorite master resale rights course will be coming at the end. I'll tell you all about it, so stick around. So first of all, I want to let you know what the differences are between master resale rights, basic resale rights, private label rights, and giveaway rights, because there are different licenses for each one of these different types of products. So this diagram over here kind of breaks it down for you. But if you want to learn, it is here. By purchasing a product with basic resale rights, it allows you to sell the product as your own, but your customer receives no rights to resell. That's your basic resale rights. Your master resale rights and master resale rights, they're kind of the same thing. Both terms offer the same type of rights. With these types of rights, you have permission to pass on the rights to resell, and your customer has the rights to pass on the resale rights too. These type of rights have many options. You can sell it for personal use, you can sell it basic resale rights, or sell the master resale rights. And then, of course, you have private label rights. And we call these rights the rights of substance. Private label rights allow you not only to buy the product, but also change the product in any manner you see fit. There's more. You can change or alter the product, even if it's just the title or first and second paragraphs of the ebook, and then put your name as the author. So you can literally sell it as if it's yours, but the person you sell it to can't resell it. And then, of course, you got giveaway rights. These allow you to give the product away for free, normally to help build a mailing list or to keep your customer subscribers happy by providing a free product. Now, there's the difference between the different licenses, but I am going to caution you, there are going to be some that show as private label rights. You always want to look at the distribution rights of each and every product that you download, because some that are labeled as private label rights will allow you to convey master resale rights. So you've got to look at the distribution rights on each and every product. Okay, now I'm going to show you my three favorite sites where you can go on and find a ton of different master resale rights, private label rights, basic resale right products that you can actually purchase one time, download, and sell them as if you own them and make 100% of the profit. So the first site I want to tell you about is called plrdatabase.net. There is a slew of products here, and typically they have their featured products right on the front page. You can view more featured products. But what you want to do is you always want to look at the different types of license. So this particular one is only for personal use. So you would not be able to resell this, but you could use it. Sell your creations with Etsy, personal use. This one, personal use. So in order to find the one that has resale rights, you got to just check all of the licenses, okay? And that typically isn't until you actually download the product. But as you can see, you can scroll and you can actually see all new products. They have so many different niches that you need. They got CPA fine tuning, they got dog care, they got sports nutrition. You can actually look up here at the marketplace and you can see all the different categories that they have. So there's all different kinds of niches. It's not about making money online. It's not just about that. There's so much in here. So take a look around and pick the products that you love, like that are in your niche. You've even got some free products that you can actually use to give away. These are resale rights. This one here, this one is resale rights. This one here is master resale rights. So you can literally offer this for free. Like you have to look at the terms. If the terms say you cannot give it away for free, but you can use it to build a list, that means that you can give it away for free as long as you're asking for that email in exchange. So you can use some of these that you can get here for free as a lead magnet and put them in your funnel and offer something for free in exchange for an email list, for an email address, so that you can build your email list. So this is, I gotta say, I'll be honest, I like the design of the website. I like how it's laid out. I like everything about it, where I go to find products, how they list their featured products. I really, really love this website. I'll put the link in the description so you can go ahead and give it a shot. I think I paid $47 for one whole year. And my recommendation is, if you're going to go look for all these different sites that offer these products similar to this, is I would not pay per product, because I have seen some where they don't have memberships. They've got pay per product. Why would I pay $10 for a product when I can come here and get it for free, or for $49, $47 for the entire year? So I paid $47 for the entire year. I can come back here every single day for the year and download as many products as I want. It's the best deal out there. So then the second place that I go to is called IDPLR. I will leave a link to this one in the description as well. So you will notice that some of the products, if not all of the products that are on this site, are also on the other sites. Okay, so do your research and find a good website that you can actually go to find the stuff that you're looking for. So just to give you an example, I have this one here, Side Hustle Success. So this particular website, this is the reason I love this one. It actually gives you a view of their squeeze page, their opt-in page. So you can actually take a look at that and see what it looks like when they build their website, their funnel, right? So this is their opt-in page. They're only asking for an email address, no name or anything. You got a quick synopsis of what's in there. I don't think I would use the word report, but okay, ebook, whatever. But you can do this. But this is the other thing I like. They give you a little summary of what is you're going to get inside of the book. And then it gives you the date that they submitted it. So it's still fairly new. It's less than a year old. The license is private label rights, but they give you literally the license, what you can and can't do. So as you can see here, you cannot give this away for free. However, it can be used to build a list. So again, you can give it away for free as long as you're asking for that email address in exchange. Okay. So the last site that I have purchased a membership for is this one here. It's just simply masterresellrights.com. I'll also leave the link to this one in the description as well. So these are my top 3 sites that I go to actually find products. This one is the most newest that I actually purchased recently. So if I click on the word newest up at the top, it gives you the newest editions. You got the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and so on. You can look for different categories. So there are articles. So you can get PLR articles that you can utilize to actually go on your blog. Okay. So, and then you can view by rights. So if you like, I only want to look at Master Resell Rights products, then you're just going to click on Master Resell Rights and you can do that. And I believe they did have it where it was sorted by like the year. So here's one, rich marketer, poor marketer. So you could, and I'm not logged in, so I'll go ahead and log in here in a minute, but you can, any one of these. So like this one here is on the PLR database. A lot of these that I'm seeing right now are on the PLR database. So a lot of times the people that make these particular products, they put them out on all the different sites so that they get seen by more people. Okay. So let's just look at the ones that were the newest additions in the last 7 days, the most recently. Okay, there's none. So let's look at 30 days. So these ones were all added in the last 30 days. So that way you're getting the most recent products, the ones that have recently been added or created. So here's one, 6-figure blog marketing. That's a good one. Email list building. That's a great one. And again, April 20th, 2023, that's fairly recent. So you want to make sure that, especially if you're dealing with any kind of social media or any kind of things that are ever changing, that you're not getting a 2018 book on how to do YouTube. It's not going to really give you how to do YouTube nowadays, because as you know, all these social channels, the algorithms are changing. Okay. But you can literally take any one of these products, build a funnel for this product, an opt-in funnel to build your list, give them away for free. Not all of them. You've got to look at the distribution rights. And you can build your list so you know people that are interested in the types of products that you have to sell. All right. So you can sell them on places like Etsy. All right. So we actually have a lot of people on Etsy that are in these other sites where they package up all of these products. Okay. So we've got 300 plus internet marketing videos to make money online and help grow your business with resale rights. So there's 300 plus for $11.76. You can come, they've packaged up all of the niche specific products for you. Now you can just literally list them on your website for sale and sell them. And again, you've got to look at the distribution rights, because recently some of them are changing where they're requiring you to actually sell it for a minimum price. So the book minimum $7, the videos minimum $17. So you've got to make sure that you're reading the distribution rights of each one of these products. This one here, 50 plus health, diet, fitness video courses to make money online and help grow your business. There you go. Health, $6.18. I could take all of these, list them on my website, sell each one of them for $17 a piece. It's a great business model, and it has the possibility so much. The possibility of income in this particular field is amazing. Just master resale rights and private label rights. This is not a new business model. Okay. This one here, make money online affiliate marketing books. $14.99 for all of these. You can do coloring pages, same thing. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Editable templates with resale rights. So look at that. Templates that you can sell. So do your research. All right. Find the best product, but you can also put them on a site like PayHip. PayHip is a site that is very similar to Shopify, only it's free. Shopify charges you, what, $29 a month for their service. So this one here, you would obviously have to market these products, okay? But it's absolutely free. The only charge is 5% per transaction. So if you sell something, they take 5%, and that's it, okay? They do have a couple of paid programs where the transaction rates are lower, but starting out for free is pretty great. You list your books here on PayHip, you put them on your website, you link them back here. PayHip is the shopping cart. So if somebody wanted to buy both or all three of these, they can put them in a shopping cart. And that's the purpose of having them here and on your website, linking them to PayHip. So this was just a kind of brief overview of how you can actually profit from promoting someone else's product, from promoting someone else's books you didn't even have to write, okay? So now I want to tell you about the digital marketing training course that is taking the internet by storm, okay? So this particular program, Learn and Earn Profits Online, is a digital marketing training course that will help you get your business set up and running to promote master resale rights, okay? This product comes with master resale rights, meaning you purchase the product one time, you can download all of the videos, they're right here in the downloaded classroom files, and now you own the course. So if you're ready to actually to start your own course, to be a leader and be a teacher, a trainer, a coach, the course is already done for you. All you have to do is purchase it one time, download all the videos, rebrand it, put your logo, your business name, your colors, your fonts, as if it was your course. And then you can sell it for whatever you want. If you want to add 3 months of coaching, 6 months of coaching, and charge $9.97, you can absolutely do that. The only stipulation is you can't sell it for less than, here it is, $497. One-time payment, lifetime access. I will leave a link below if you want to get started on how to learn and earn profits online. Okay, it comes with an amazing community of very supportive people and so many smart people in here that are so ready to help you. If you get stuck, if you need help, they are here. We also have a calendar. Every single Monday we have a Q&A call live on Zoom. Okay, so you can come on in, get your questions answered, and then roll out if you need to. You can see all of the active members, and you can also, we have a little gamification going on. So we actually have people that are engaging in the community, getting the work done, helping other people, and they're making a game out of it. And it's really fun to see the banter back and forth. So it is an absolutely amazing community of so many helpful people, and we are growing every single day. We actually have the ability to start dominating the social channels because this business model, again, it's not new, but it's new the way that they're doing it. So the original creators of this course created this course so that you could learn how to put a business together. And this could work for any business. It does not have to be to sell the master resale rights. You can use this training to learn how to set up any business. You can do physical products. You can do a business you already have. This is going to help you set up System.io. System.io is an absolutely free funnel builder and email autoresponder, okay? Absolutely free. So they go through every single thing step by step. Nothing is left out. There's no gaps in the training. When you are done with this training, you will actually have your business set up and running. Now, if you want to promote the MRR product, Learn and Earn Profits Online, you absolutely can. The benefit to you is you actually get 100% profits. All right. So one sale and you've made your investment back. All right. So there's really no downside here. Okay. You are promoting someone else's product. but you're branding it as your own. You're putting your logo on it, your branding on it, and you're promoting it as if it's your course, but you're bringing them into my community, my classroom, so that they can learn how to do it as well. And you keep all the money. I make no money from your sales. Okay. So if you want to get started learning and earning, go ahead and click that link below in the description, and I will see you on the inside.